Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So hello everyone. So in this video I would like to make some project video from Embedded System, which is smart greenhouse. So in this video I would like to collab with Ryan, my friend, my classmate. So now I would like to talking about greenhouse, which is with IoT. So let's get started with the mechanic first. As you can see, we got some mechanics here with the microbit, and then also another another stuff, which is TDS module TDS sensor,
No, stop. PH sensor.
which is module pH sensor, and then there is TDS sensor, and also there is relay here to turn on the pump, and then like usual the priority one is the microbit one. Okay, so we got some website BBC microbit, and this is how to monitoring the value of pH and TDS. So as you can see right now, the TDS is around 628, 27. For the pH is upper 6. So now as you can see, let's see in this part. As you can see, we got some pH and ppm. I mean pH and TDS. So this is the pH, and then this is the TDS. Now I will try to operate the pH first. This is the clean water, and this is the dirty water, and this is the pH 4. So make sure that the stuff is already working for checking the ppm and also pH. Like now I would like to try to make it to bring the pH into the another water,
different pH water.
yeah, different pH water. So we could see in the from the website, it will running the pH value into under 7. Just waiting for the value, as you can see here. Just waiting until under 5 the value of pH. It will turning the pump. Waiting for until the value is 5. Under 5 it will turning on the pump. Almost there. Wait. Almost reach until under the 5. is a little bit take a long time to reach under the 5 value of pH.
Stop. Right.
Right, so we go to the right now we go to the pH, which is the white one. So
PM.
ppm, I mean ppm. So now from the clean water I will to change it into the dirty water. So as you can see, the TDS is under 150. So when the TDS under 150, it will turn on the pump, but if upper than 150, it will turning off the pump. So as you can see, the relay here, the red LED is on here. Yeah, so to make it on the pump, I will little touch here. So the pump will turning on. Right, so that's enough. I will turn out I will bring again the ppm into the clean water, and it will it will stop the pump.
Tripod. There.
So maybe that's enough for the mechanic, but I would like to explain more from the Firebase. As you can see, we could monitoring from the website. So the value of this one, value of TDS and pH will bring to the Firebase Redlam database here. As you can see, there is pH and TDS. So yeah, maybe that's all from the mechanics that I explained. So it will explaining the coding by Ryan. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for Jaden to explain the mechanic of the microbit smart house IoT. Now I would like to explain the code like Jaden told before, and yeah, we would like to just explain the code by using JavaScript. We are not using blocks. My teacher don't allow me to explain in the block. Cause yeah, we already learned about the JavaScript. Now I would like to explain the code one by one. So in the first line, in the first paragraph, there is Bluetooth on, connect, Bluetooth on, Bluetooth connected function. So when the Bluetooth connect to the device, it will show the icon yes, and when Bluetooth on disconnect, will show the function icon names no. So now I would like to continue to the next paragraph of the code in the JavaScript. I would like to explain the LED pH, LED VPN, LED sensor, LED ppm, LED CVM voltage, kompensasi, volt, analog, suhu. And yeah, I would like to explain all one by one. So in this paragraph is to keep the variable before send to the Firebase. So let pH, it will set the pH to the 0 again, reset the pH, and set all this variable is going to the 0 because we would like to use for next count. So the microbit will count from 0 until the pH like this, pH TDS. So yeah, basic show icon names happy Bluetooth start wireless service. So here this line is used for show the icon names happy, and it will start the basic the it will start the UART service or Bluetooth service to connect to the device, and loop variable interval is wait 500 milliseconds before the next function is working, like suhu input temperature. So when the variable function to count the input temperature, and the analog first pin 1, it will read the analog pin in pin 1 volt. The volt variable is analog pin 1 will wait, I will try to see first. Analog pin 1, analog pin 1. Wait. Nah, this ppm pause 100 ms. So is the all of the how to say rules. Yeah, it's all the trick how to count in microbit, because microbit can't read the ppm and ph. It it could use the rumus or the trick to count. We need to remember the microbit can read the voltage, so we need the rumus or trick to convert the voltage to the ph, ppm, and change it to the string or number. And yeah, there is function pause 500 ms. So loop every interval 500 will function V sensor, and here is also the rumus loop every interval. Nah, this V sensor will times 2 per 3, and it will divide by 123. That is the maximum number of the analog, because we're using analog here. And yeah, here's also the trick. V pin is V sensor times 16,024. So the trick for pH is 7 plus in open bracket 2.89 and minus V pin. So the V pin it will divide the result of this. It will divide by 0.167, and yeah, serial write value pH. So it will serial write value will route the pH math. So using math, and we'll show the pH using serial write value or all the result in math. And yeah, would like it will count the pH. And the next is basic forever. So forever Bluetooth UART value pH math round pH. Bluetooth UART write value will write the value TDS or ppm base, and it pause 500 millisecond I think. And if pH below 5 value, it could digital write pin in pin 8 1. So pin 8, the function in pin 8 it to open the what the name, there is the pipe that before Jaden said. If the pH below 5, it could open the pipe and throw the water, because the pH is not The pH is not standard for to drink. And else, if ppm below 150, it could also, like before, digital write pin 8 to 1. Yeah, the function same like before. If below 150 the ppm, it could open the pipe and throw the water because it's not healthy or dirty. And else, pins digital write pin 8, it reset to 0 when it's not reaching pH 5 up pH 5 or the ppm 150. Nah, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for listening, and also thank you for my partner Jayden for explaining the mechanic. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.